Hi friends, my name is Rishikesh Kanse and today I am here to discuss about the Java string. In Java, string is basically an object that represents sequence of character values. An array of character works as same as Java string. Java string class provides a lot of methods that to perform operation on string such as compare, concat, equals, split, length, replace, compare, intern, substrings, etc. The Java.lang.string class implements the serializable and comparable and char sequence interfaces. The char sequence interface is used to represent the sequence of character. The string buffer, and string builder classes implement it. It means we can create string in Java by using these three classes. The Java is immutable, which means it cannot be changed. Whenever we change any string, a new instance is created. For mutable string, you can use string buffer and string builder classes. We will discuss immutable strings later. Let's first understand what string in Java and how it's created to the string object. Generally, a string is a sequence of character, but in Java, string is an object that represents a sequence of character. The java.lang.string classes is used to create a string object. There are two ways to create a string object: by string literals, by new keyword. String literal. Java string literal is created by using double quote. For example, string s is equal to in double quote welcome. Each time you create a string literal, the JVM checks the string constant pool first. String constant pool first. If the string already exists in the pool, a reference to the pooled instance is returned. If the string doesn't exist in the pool, a new string instance is created and placed in the pool. Only one object will be created firstly. JVM will not find any string object with the value of welcome in a string constant pool. That is why it will create a new object. After that, it will find the string with the value welcome in the pool. It will not create a new object, but will return the reference to the same instance. Why Java uses the concept of string literal? To make the Java memory efficient, because no new objects are created if it exists already in the string constant pooled by new keyword. In such case, JVM will create a new string object in a normal non-pool heap memory, and the literal welcome will be placed in the string constant pool. The variable yes will refer to an object in a heap. Java string classes method. The java.lang.string classes provided many useful methods to perform operations on sequence of char values. The method char at index, it returns the character value for the particular index. Int length method, it returns the string length. Static string format, it returns the formatted string. Static string format, local string format, object arguments, it returns formatted string with given local. Substring, it returns substring for a given being index. Substring, it returns the given being index. Boolean contains, it returns true or false after the matching the sequence of character value. String join, it returns a joined string. String boolean equals. It checks the equality of the string with the given object. Boolean empty. It checks if string is empty or not. String concat. It concatenates the specified string. Thank you.